So these are the people who get it wrong repeatedly, and they get hired because they're willing to get it wrong. They're willing to say nonsense for a high fee. We know the ways that these kinds of schemes typically take the money out. And they typically take it out through executive compensation in part, but also through series of loans to insiders. So look for loans to insiders. And you have to, the phrase we use is follow the money. So follow the money and find out where it did go. The Chamber of Commerce should be turned into a laughingstock. It should be shunned. It should be an embarrassment to come to a party and be asked where you work and say the Chamber of Commerce, right? You're a small nation. You can make this kind of thing stick. There have been 0 convictions. Indeed, there isn't even an indictment. So it isn't just a problem in Iceland, but it's up to all of us to demand action. Put the crooks in prison. Reduce the risk of the next crisis by at least trying to deter it. If you sit back, then you're saying crime, really big crime, pays better than anything in the world. Iceland has found ways in the past, despite being even tighter, more tightly connected in the clans, in essence, to have some pretty tough justice at times. Now you have exceptions as well in the sagas where people got off. So find your, we call them your better nature.